Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Subject ICT, Standard 6th and 7th by Kriti Chauhan. In this video, we are going to understand how to delete row, column and cells in MS Excel. We already understood how to add data in the worksheet. Same way, we may need to delete some existing data from the worksheet also. So here we can do in three ways. We can delete either rows, columns and cells from the worksheet. This process helps us to remove unwanted data and manage our worksheet. The first we are going to start with, as you start with understanding the three ways to delete the content from the worksheet. First, there is an option called delete sheet row. As you can see in this image, there are three options when we click on the delete icon. The first is delete sheet row, second is delete sheet columns, and the third is delete cells. We will understand the delete option. The first option we will understand. The first one is delete rows. We may have entered some data that is no longer valid and is not required. So we can delete the row containing that data. We can do the delete row by following steps. First, we need to select the row or rows that one want to delete. In the second step, we need to go to the Home tab. From the Cells group, click the arrow below the delete icon. Click the delete sheet row option and the row or rows are deleted from the worksheet. These steps will help us to delete the entire row from the worksheet. Next is how we can do delete column. Now just like delete row, we can delete columns or column. The steps follows. Select the column or columns that we want to delete. Then we need to go on the Home tab. From the Cells group, click the arrow below the delete icon. And in third step, click the delete sheet column options. This will delete the column or columns in the worksheet. The last way we can opt for delete process is by deleting the cells. To delete the cells, we can follow. Deleting a cell means we are going to delete a cell or selected cells from the entire worksheet. So the first steps follows. Select the cell or cells which we want to delete. On the Home tab, from the Cells group, click the arrow below the delete icon. Third step, click the delete cell options. The delete dialog box appears. As you can see on the screen here, this image represents the delete dialog box. In the delete dialog box, we have four options. First, shift cell left, shift cell up, entire row and entire column. Let us understand the properties of these options. In this option, shift cell left means this will delete the selected cells and shift the remaining cell towards the left direction. Second option means shift cell up. Shift cell up will delete the selected cell. The cell that you have selected will be deleted and the remaining cell below the deleted cell will be shifted upwards. Second is delete entire row. This will delete the selected row from the sheet. The next is delete column. Delete column will delete the selected columns from the worksheet. Once you select the required option from the dialog box, then click OK. The respective cell will be deleted from the worksheet. These are the few options which helps us to delete as per the requirement. Students, do learn these options at home in your Excel and practice them, because these are the more basic and important feature in the MS Excel.